Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to our new channel, Turo. My name is Emily, and I'll guide you on this exciting journey as we explore the most amazing destinations, hidden gems, and travel tips to make your adventures truly unforgettable. You've come to the right place if you're passionate about discovering new places and experiencing different cultures. So, let's get started. Here at Turo, our mission is to inspire, inform, and entertain you with the best travel content from around the world. We'll share breathtaking destinations, insider tips, and even some travel hacks to make your trips easier and more enjoyable. From stunning natural wonders to bustling cities and everything in between, we've got you covered. So, what can you expect from Turo? Well, we'll be uploading weekly videos on various travel-related topics, including Top 10 lists of the best destinations, attractions, and experiences. In-depth travel guides for popular and off-the-beaten-path locations. Budget travel tips and advice for getting the most out of your trips. Unique local experiences and cultural insights. And of course, amazing travel stories featuring both our own adventures and those of our fellow travelers. If all of this sounds exciting to you, then we invite you to join our travel-loving community by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We also encourage you to share your own travel experiences, tips, and questions in the comments section. After all, we're all here to learn from each other and make our travels even more memorable. To give you a taste of what's to come, our first series of videos will focus on the top 10 must-visit destinations for 2023, featuring amazing places from every corner of the globe. We'll also share our favorite travel hacks to help you save money, pack like a pro, and make the most of your time on the road. Once again, welcome to Turo, and thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We can't wait to share our passion for travel with you and explore the world together. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below to let us know where you'd like us to take you next. Until our next adventure, happy travels!